morning, student.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, today's activity complete the spelling. Which activity?
Complete the spelling.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Saurabh, come. Sound plant L. Complete the spelling.
BLSEK black.
Very good. Karthik, come. Sound plant L. Complete the spelling. Very good. Read the spelling.
CLOCK. Clock.
Very good. Mandit, come. Read. Complete the spelling.
FNAG flag.
Very good. Rana, come. Complete the spelling. Read the.
GLASS glass.
Very good. Come. Read the. Complete the spelling. Read the spelling.
PLUN.
Very good. Swans, come. Complete the spelling. Read the spelling.
SLWPC.
Very good. Sound plant R. Shashti, come. Complete the spelling. Read the spelling.
BRWM room.
Very good. Vaishnavi, come. Complete the spelling.
CROW crow.
Very good. Aniket, come. Complete the spelling. Read the spelling.
DRUM drum.
Very good. Sumit, come. Complete the spelling. Read the spelling.
Morphology frog.
Very good. Pragya, come. Complete the spelling.
GRSS glass.
No, correct the spelling. Complete the spelling. Double S.
GRASS. Glass.
Amrika, come. Complete the spelling. Read the spelling.
PRAY.
Very good. Very good.